Hi, in this video, I will be taking you through our NFT Marketplace demo platform. NFT Marketplace is a platform where NFTs can be minted, stored, displayed, and traded by the users. Unlike the traditional NFT marketplaces, our BlockchainX NFT Marketplace works based on a partner-based NFT minting model where only the users approved by the marketplace admin can mint and list their NFTs for sale. Basically, BlockchainX NFT Marketplace consists of three modules, namely the user frontend, the partner dashboard, and the admin dashboard. Now, let us go over each of the modules one by one. This is the BlockchainX NFT Marketplace user frontend module. Currently, BlockchainX NFT Marketplace is set up on the BNB Smart Chain Testnet network, and in order to access the platform, you need to get connected using the MetaMask wallet or any other Web3 wallets using the Wallet Connect option. I have connected using my MetaMask wallet to access the platform. Now, let us go over the options that are available in the front end one by one. On the home page, you can explore the NFT collections. You can also explore the trending NFTs. You can find the top collections listed over here. The collections will be differentiated based on the type of collection it is, whether it is an NFT utility, or is it a digital collectible, or it is a community-based NFT collection. You can also find the top sellers of the system listed over here. They are basically the partners of the system who have been approved by the NFT Marketplace admin to mint and list their NFTs for sale. Now, let us take a look at the trending NFTs module. So here you can find the details of the top collections of the NFTs. You can find the hot bids. So these all come under the offer now and the bid now option. So these are not the direct NFT purchases, rather the bid now or the offer now NFTs. You can also find the partners who are the top sellers in the system using this trending NFTs module. So we do also have another option called blogs, where all the information and knowledge material related to this particular NFT marketplace are put down here as blogs, which allows the users to read through it completely to understand more about the NFT market as well as this particular NFT marketplace as well. If you would like to explore the collections in full, you can go to the collections tab, where all the collections will be listed, which you can search by a collection name, or you can search based on partners, or you can also filter based on categories. Currently, there are three categories added in the system. Basically, they are rentals, real estate, and Web3 game. Now, let us try to explore a collection completely by clicking on the View Collection option. Dreamzuki is the name of the NFT collections, and its creator is Chex VV Edition. Below, you can find the total number of items, total floor price of the NFT collection, total market cap, total number of owners of the NFTs, which is the highest sale, as well as total volume of NFTs sold. We also have filters and search options to search for a specific NFT. Here, you can search for an NFT using the NFT name, or you can sort an NFT based on the price. You can also set a price range for an NFT that you are looking to explore for, or also you can search based on the NFT attributes. There is also another option called Select Type, wherein BlockchainX NFT Marketplace provides three kinds of models. One is the direct buy option. The NFT creator will set a price for an NFT, and as a user, you can pay that particular amount to purchase that NFT. Number two is an offer-based model, where the NFT creator will set a minimum amount for the NFT, and as a user, you can feed in your offers, and the NFT owner will decide whom he should sell the NFTs to. And number three is a time-based bidding model, where there will be a start time as well as an end time, and you can place your bids. The highest bid at the end of the time can buy the NFTs. Now let us try and explore this NFT completely. This is the NFT listing page. Here you can find the details about the NFT collection, the owner details, the price of this particular NFT in BNB as well as its equivalent in the US dollars. Below that you can find the details about the creator as well as its collection. You can also find the details about the pricing history if any, or under the details you can see the details about the current owner as well as the NFT attributes. Currently for this NFT, color and background are the two attributes. Below that you can also find the details about the contract address and the token ID, what is the token standard, whether it is ERC721 or ERC1155 NFTs, the creator fee percentage, and the complete details about the item activity. So when it was minted, the from address and the to address as well as its date, and the social media links and handles of the particular NFT. Now let us try and purchase this NFT by clicking on the buy now option. Once you click on the buy now option, you'll be prompted on your MetaMask wallet to approve this particular transaction. So once you've approved the transaction, you can find the details about the status of this particular NFT purchase here. The purchase has been confirmed, and once you click on view NFT, you can find that NFT under your profile. So this is the NFT that we have purchased at the moment. Since we have just purchased an NFT using a direct buy option, now let us also try to explore the other two options, the offer as well as the bid module, using some other collections of NFTs listed over here. So under DeFi Apes collection, you see that there is an option to purchase an NFT through offer model or also a bid model. Now let us explore this particular NFT and see how we can put an offer for this NFT. So here you see the details of the NFTs. You can also find the minimum offer amount, which is 0.1 BNB, and you can enter the amount that you would like to offer. So always the offer amount should be more than the minimum offer that has been set by the NFT partner. Now you need to click on offer now. So here you can find the details about your offer, your balance, and the total amount of BNB that will be converted to WBNB. And in the same way, there will be a MetaMask notification that you need to sign and approve this particular contract. So the conversion has been done now. Next process is the approval of the exchange contract. The approval has been completed, and as the next step we need to sign the particular order on MetaMask. We have signed the order and the offer has been also completed. So you can see that the minimum offer amount, which was the highest offer, and also a last offer amount over here. We can also edit or cancel offer using these options. Now in the same way, we can also try to explore the bidding option. So this NFT DeFi Apes number 5 has a bid module in it. And in the same way, we can see the offered ending date and time. So what is the minimum bid, which is 0.1 BNB, and we can bid our amount over here. So my bid amount for this particular NFT is 0.3, and I'm going to click on bid now option to complete this offer. So in the same way, we need to convert BNB to WBNB using a MetaMask, approve the exchange contract, sign the order to complete this particular offer as well. The offer has been completed now. We can also find the details going back to that NFT listing page. What is the minimum bid amount, which is the highest offer, and also a last offer amount. You can also edit or cancel this offer. So this is how, as an NFT user, you can access the offer or the bid model of the BlockchainX NFT platform. Now, let us take a look at the NFT Launchpad module. So the NFT Launchpad module allows the NFT Marketplace partners to list their NFTs, kind of a token sale where it allows them to raise funds for their project. So as a user, you can find all the NFTs that has been put for sale through the Launchpad module with the sale live as well as the sale ended options. So these ones below are which the sale has been closed. And now let's try and explore one which is live. So this is the NFT Launchpad module of Dreamzuki partner. So it is owned by Checks VV Edition, and you can see that the sale is currently live. So this is an asset and reward based NFT where you can also find the end date of the sale, which is 7 days and 4 hours. You can find the price of the NFTs. So you can mint as many NFTs you want, and there will always be a fixed number of NFTs that can be minted. So for this particular NFT, so the total NFTs are 100, and as a user, if you want to purchase, let's say 2 NFTs, you can enter the number over here. You can find the details about the pricing as well as click on buy now option. So you'll be prompted on the MetaMask to approve this particular transaction, and once the sale has been ended, you'll be receiving these 2 NFTs on your MetaMask. Basically, the NFT partner will mint and airdrop these NFTs to their wallet once the sale has ended. Okay, you can see now that the transaction has been completed successfully. Now let us try and explore the user profile option. So you can go to my profile. You can see the details about your user ID, your contract address, total number of NFTs that has been owned by you, NFT Launchpad that has been owned by you. So as of now, we see that there are 2 NFTs that we have just tried to purchase using the NFT Launchpad module, as well as if there is anything on sale, you can also find it over here. So let us go back to the owned NFTs, and in case if you would like to put an NFT back for sale, you can click on the NFT and you can decide whether it is a direct buy option, or it is going to be an offer module, or it is going to be a bidding module. So as of now, I'm going to try to put this NFT on sale using the direct buy option. Here you can enter the price of the NFT and click on continue. And as usual, you need to sign this order and approve it on MetaMask. You have signed the order. Next step is to create the order, once again by approving it on MetaMask. So once you've created the order creation will be complete as a final step. Now, this particular NFT has been put to sale. In the same way, if you'd like to put other NFTs for sale using the bid option or the offer option, you can also do that. So you need to click on offer, enter the minimum price of offer. You can enter the start date as well as the end date over here, and click on continue and approve the same using the MetaMask so that this particular NFT has been put to sale using the offer model. The same way, you can also use the bid option to enter the minimum price, start date and end date, as well as the start time and end time, and you can continue to use your MetaMask to approve this NFT to put for sale using the bid option. You can also edit your profile or click on sign out to sign out from this particular user front-end module.